See what's going on with my people. Check on in with my people. Make sure you like, you share, you subscribe. Because the party don't start till my chat check in. Yeah, my chat be rocking. My chat be lit. Salute to my chat. Y'all be all up in this. Big salute, big salute, big salute, big salute. Big salute to all my loved ones, support goons, support squad. Big salute to all the righteous revolutionaries. And big salute, big salute, big salute to all my support goons, support squad, loved ones. I love y'all, man. I love y'all. Now, this recording is mainly for the people that can't keep up. You know, we have to slow it down for the slow ones, you know, because this is the education channel. Yeah, this is the learn something channel. This is the business channel. You know, a lot of people don't want to put respect on the stones, which is okay. That's fine. That's fine. But let me educate all my people on what is jadeite. What is jadeite? What is jadeite? Do rocks have value? What are rocks? What are rocks? Are they just worthless things that's just scattered all over the ground? Well, we're going to do a little research today. Let me make this a little bigger for y'all. What is jadeite? Jadeite is a rare, exceptionally tough silicate mineral that, alongside nephrite, is classified as one of the two true forms of jade, prized for centuries for its vibrant colors and fine, glassy polish. The most valuable form, a translucent emerald green variety known as imperial jade, can sell for more per carat than diamonds. Can sell for more per carat than diamonds. Can sell for more per carat than diamonds. Wow. Properties and colors. While pure jadeite is white, yeah, we got the matching. Hold on, let me blow it up. We got the matching set right there, y'all. This blue jade, that's white jade. Let's get back to it. While pure jadeite is white, trace elements and impurities create a wide array of stunning colors. Green, caused by chromium, the most highly valued and sought after color. Lavender, caused by traces of manganese or iron. Other colors can also be found in blue, pink, red, yellow, and black. Okay. Let me blow that up for you so y'all can read that. You know, we got to document this now. This is for the slow pokes. Yeah, we got to slow it down for the slow pokes. Hopefully they keep up. If not, they'll be all right. We got to give them something to talk about. Now let's see. Is jadeite a rock or a mineral? Let's check it out. Mm. Jadeite is technically both. It's a rock and a mineral. The mineral. It is a sodium aluminum rich pyroxene mineral with a specific chemical composition. Single distinct crystals are extremely rare. The rock, because pure crystals are scarce, the jadeite used in jewelry and carvings is technically a rock, specifically called jadeite. Mm. It is a dense, tightly interwoven aggregate of microscopic jadeite mineral crystals. Mm. Along with the mineral nephrite, it is one of the two distinct stones commonly referred to as jade. Mm. Now, is it valuable? Because some people have you believe it ain't valuable. Yeah, some people will have you believe it is not valuable, y'all. What am I My fault, y'all. Hold on, here we go. Is jadeite valuable? Okay, good. Oh, let me see. My bad, y'all. I'm in here snacking in, trying to talk to y'all at the same time. So unprofessional. Please forgive me, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Leave me some comments. What y'all know about rocks? Big salute to Asia. Big salute to China. We're trying to teach the Americans, Black Americans at that, about the value of rocks. Some people may got value at their feet and don't even know it. Yes, jadeite can be exceptionally expensive, and it frequently ranks among the most costly gemstones on earth. While commercial grades can cost as little as $20 per carat, top tier specimens can exceed $30,000 per carat. Now remember, 1 carat, 1 gram equals 5 carats. Yeah, big carats. Yeah, silly rabbits. With historic auction quality pieces sometimes selling for millions of dollars. With historic auction quality pieces sometimes selling for millions of dollars. Jadeite, Jadeite's value is highly subjective and depends heavily on several factors. So there are several factors that depend on the value of your jadeite. The most valuable color is imperial jade, which features a highly translucent, vivid, and pure emerald green hue. Lavender and rich black are also highly valued. Dull or grayish stones are worth significantly less. So, color, translucency, and texture. Stones that are semi-transparent with a smooth, even texture command massive premiums over opaque, grainy materials. Treatments. Did you put some cut on your jade, or is your jade raw? See, my jade, we try to keep it raw around here. Yeah, we try to keep it raw. Yeah, we try to keep it raw around here, y'all. Let me show you a raw one. Yeah, we try to keep it raw because we like that glow. Yeah, we like that glow. I got one that got a little green. Oh, I got one that got a little green to it. And it got some translucence. Yep. Yep. So we try to keep our jade raw. Natural untreated jadeite, often certified as type A, is the only variety that holds high investment value. Stones that have been bleached, dyed, or injected with resin, type B or C, are worth only a fraction of the price. So make sure you keep your, yeah, you want it raw, y'all. Yeah, this the raw channel. Type of jewelry. Bangles are often the most expensive type of jadeite jewelry because they must be carved out of a single massive and flawless rough stone, leaving behind a lot of waste. That's why we took my stones and we just made simple jewelry, keeping it raw, uncut. Keeping it raw, uncut, ladies and gentlemen. Got to keep it raw and uncut. So that is just a brief introduction to jadeite. Um the next video we will be live. I will be doing testing. Yeah, I will be testing. I will test 4 stones. This is a stone it still got mud on it. It still got dirt on it. We'll test this one. We'll test this one. Look like a tooth. And then we'll test these 2. And we can also test the rings. And the white and the blue. Is blue jadeite valuable? Let's see. Let's see. And we'll end off with this, y'all. We'll end off with this. Is BLUE jadeite valuable? Let's see. Ooh, that's that's what we got right here, y'all. Matching set. Matching set. Let me take it off so y'all can get a closer look. Is blue jadeite valuable? Natural blue jadeite is exceptionally rare and highly valuable, commanding thousands of dollars for top quality untreated stones. However, the market is filled with cheaper treated or imitation stones. Yeah, this is not the treated imitation channel. Yeah, this the real deal Holyfield. Yup. Real deal Holyfield. There you go, right there, y'all. Now let's see what the light do. Matter of fact, we'll even test this one just so y'all can see. Mm-hmm. Just so y'all can see. Oh yeah. So blue jade got some value, y'all. That's what we working with. That's what we working with, y'all. So with that being said, chat, like, share, subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Are you into jade? Raw jade, untreated? Can I be your plug? Can I be your jade plug? Maybe here in the future. We will see. So with that being said, chat, I love y'all, chat. And y'all stay tuned. We'll be back. Like I say, when we come back, we're gonna be live testing. When we come back, we will be testing live. Jadeite rocks. Yeah, Jadeite rocks. We will be testing live, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We will be testing live. We're on the hunt for jade. A matter of fact, we're gonna do a whole live. I got a whole jar full of gemstones. The jade we find, we're gonna keep. Everything else, we're gonna do a donation giveaway. All the other gemstones, we'll do a donation giveaway. Are you in the gemstones? So leave me some comments. Let me know. Chat, like, share, subscribe, like, share, subscribe. And we'll be back. Salute, chat. Love y'all, chat.